If we're talking about whales with whiskers, they can't actually directly kill an orca by biting it because they don't have teeth, but they do have whale whisker plates, hence their name, whales with whiskers. The esophagus of a humpback whale, for example, is barely 40 centimeters in diameter when fully relaxed. Last spring, this photo hit the internet and quickly went viral. A humpback whale was feeding in Monterey Bay, California, when it suddenly got something unexpected in its mouth, a sea lion. The whale couldn't swallow it and immediately spit the pinniped out. Orcas hunt as a family, and each herd has its own hunting culture. Not all herds hunt whales, but some do, and extremely effectively. It is in Monterey that orcas have learned to corral female whales who are swimming with their calves. One huge inconvenience these females experience is that they travel on their own, outside a group of their own, which is very dangerous, even though they are much larger than orcas. The strategy usually followed by attacking orcas is to chase the mother and the calf until the little whale, exhausted, gets away. Orcas' love of whale tongues is well known. More than once it was the only or almost the only thing they ate of their enormous prey. Humpback whales have very good reason to fear orca attacks. Scientists have recorded 22 such attacks in Monterey, 14 of which ended in the death of the whale calf. But humpback whales are very smart and also look for ways to protect themselves from orcas. Here are the measures they take. Some females choose to protect their calf from a pack of orcas. They do this by using strong tail strikes, and by foaming the water to disorient their pursuers. This foam veil is also a strategy they use to hunt their usual prey. Although females travel alone, some are closely followed by special escorts, one or more males who, although not related to the female and her calf, can intervene in case of attack and protect them. Nevertheless, 14 successful attacks out of 22 attacks is a high percentage. As a reverse reaction of humpback whales, it is interesting to note that they can chase orcas when they are alone or when humpbacks are in a herd. Using whistles, which can be unusually loud and annoying to orcas, and all other sea creatures, tail bumps, foam curtains and even shoves, the whales demonstrate that they can fight orcas hand to hand. Here are some observed behaviors. A humpback whale has been seen in Antarctica chasing an orca that was hunting a seal. It is believed that the whale wanted to chase the orca away from its territory, knowing the danger that a herd of orcas could pose. In Monterey, a group of humpback whales prevented a herd of orcas from eating a baby humpback whale they had killed. Again, their behavior seems to have been intended to keep the predator from hunting in humpback territory. Therefore, when whales have a clear numerical superiority, they can pose a threat to orcas. This does not prevent orcas from preying on humpbacks, blue whales, pygmy whales, and many other species. Therefore, whales have every reason to be afraid of orcas, and they are indeed afraid of them. Some whales fight with them precisely because they do not want them around.